Welcome to this quick audio guide on 3D printing. In just 1 minute, we'll explore the fascinating world of additive manufacturing. 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, is a cutting-edge technology that brings digital designs to life in 3 dimensions. Using specialized software, designers create 3D models, specifying each layer of the object they want to create. Then, like magic, 3D printers meticulously layer materials like plastic, metal, or resin to build the physical object layer by layer. The result? Astonishing creations that were once limited to imagination and now tangible realities. From rapid prototyping in industries like aerospace and medicine to crafting intricate art pieces and custom-made products, 3D printing is revolutionizing manufacturing. It's a world where innovation knows no bounds and the possibilities are limited only by creativity. This audio guide was brought to you by Nerd on Call Services, where we turn ideas into reality. Explore the realm of 3D printing with the link in our bio. Time's up! Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey through 3D printing.